What is going on, guys? Joe G here. Thanks for stopping by my channel. We are back for part 2 of the rap sheet demo vids here. Next one, we'll be taking a look at Copper Devils. We looked at Sapphire Clan last time. Now, Copper Devils is up. And everyone, this video is being sponsored by our friends at Liberty Fireworks. Thank you so much, Liberty Fireworks, for providing all 3 of these cakes for our demo vid. Scroll down below, you'll find all the appropriate links to their website and also to their social media page on Facebook. Take a look here at this wrap and the performance as well. We got red tails to red flowers and silver glitter, whistles and crackling. Then green tails to blue stars and brocade, and crackling tails to green palms and delayed crackling. All right, let's go light off Copper Devils and let's check it out.